Hey guys, I hope everyone had a good day at school. I want to go over a couple things about the race tomorrow. First, they're saying that we will have it as of now, so we're going to go over this and make sure everybody is clear on what we need to do. All runners have to wear their mask and come and get checked in the morning at 7:15. So we need the girls, the boys, JV, everyone has to come at 7:15, just like if we went to a race together on the bus. Everybody gets there at the same time, and we need to get there and get checked in, get your temperatures done and all that, and make sure everything's good before the race starts. We can't be checking in temperatures and things like that when it's time for the girls to start. So that means the girls and the boys, everybody has to be there. Okay? Girls run at 8:30 tomorrow. Boys run at 9:15. There's only 2 races, so all the girls and all the boys will run at 8:30 and 9:15. I believe there's 7 or 8 teams in our race, and then there's another race after we leave, and then they will compile all the times, and it'll be one big set of results, kind of like other races that we'll probably go to this year, including Bristol Cross. So that's just something new as well. They don't want people hanging around for rewards, so they're just going to tell everybody to leave, and they'll do all of that later. All right, prepare to get wet. It is calling for rain, so it may still be raining tomorrow. It may have stopped. It's supposed to be high winds. I'm sure you guys know there is a storm in the works, so kind of just be prepared for whatever. Pack smart. Only pack what you need. All right, if it's pouring down rain, you don't want to leave your phone laying out beside of something in the pouring down rain. You do have to have spikes if you want spikes or whatever, but just be smart in what you pack. Think about that tonight. Pack tonight, lay out your uniform and your running shoes and get all of that stuff ready, and be prepared for what you need in the morning, and try to bring only what you need. I will have this waterproof bag that I can keep everybody's keys in, but it is not large enough to have your phones and your this and that and everything else that sometimes that we carry, and I'm bad about that as well. But just remember, whatever you bring tomorrow, it's probably going to get wet. All right, I will only text in the morning if the race is canceled. They are saying we will run rain or shine. The only reason we won't run is if there are thunderstorms. So just be prepared. All right, we will see you at 7:15 in the morning. I am working on next week's schedule, so I will send out next week's schedule pretty soon. If I don't get it out today, you will get that tomorrow. If you have any questions, let us know.